the drop the ball station, and it's definitely got the most complicated setup. It should be set up for you, but if it's not, then I'm going to run you through the steps, and first I'm just going to run you through the goal of this station in case it's kind of confusing. So when the buggy passes through this photo gate, it's going to trip a little wire, which is then going to demagnetize this box. So when the buggy goes through there, it's going to kill the magnet and that ball is going to fall. So it'll take a certain amount of time for this ball to fall, and it'll take a certain amount of time for the buggy to move under where the ball is. So what you want to do is make sure that when the ball hits the ground, the buggy's under there. So you want the ball to hit the buggy. So I'll show you a little example. The buggy's gonna, this probably won't work, I didn't measure anything. So the buggy will pass through here, and the ball falls when the buggy trips it. So I'll try to lay out a fast buggy because that one was kind of boring. But yeah, so if things are not set up, then I'm going to run through how to set it up, how to fix it, okay? So step number one, you got your power box, which leads to this control box right here. So you're going to plug it in. The gray wire is going to go to the signal drop box, so it's going to go and plug into the side of that thing up there. You're going to have to replace the ball every time. You'll just have to place the ball underneath. It's magnetic, so it should just stick right up there pretty easily. This wire is going to go to your photo gate. So to make sure that your photo gate works, every single time you trip it, you'll see that little red light come on. So sometimes your buggy may have trouble tripping it, and that's okay. Just run it again if the ball doesn't drop. And that one's plugged in, so you got power in the back. And you got power here, I think I may have said that. Active, inactive. If this is switched, then that's not going to happen anymore. The red light shouldn't trip anymore. Oh no, it's the magnet. The magnet won't fall anymore. So make sure that you're set on active. So just to reiterate, you're going to be determining where you're going to place the photo gate to make sure that when the buggy passes, the same amount of time that the buggy goes will be the same amount of time that it takes the ball to drop. And ideally, the ball should drop in the buggy.